to fix Cigna insurance card not loading online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply download or log into your Cigna mobile app. If you're using the web version, and if you're using the application version, then you can switch to web version as an alternative to the desktop site, or as an alternative to your mobile application, right? So like I said, if you are using this, you can use that. If you're using that, you can use this, and then simply log into your account and see if that helped or not. Or if that did not help, then you can try to disable any pop-up blockers. So if you're on your desktop and using browser, ensure that the pop-up windows are enabled in the browser settings in order to view all of the PDF digital cards, right? So after doing all of that, if that did not help, then lastly try to request a physical or email copy. You can call the member service to resend the replacement physical card or PDF copy via email. I'm pretty sure that they will be able to do it, and just like that, you'll be able to fix your Cigna insurance card not loading online. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.